Alright guys, this is for you guys. I got this SW computer all hooked up in here. What I'm going to do is I'll show you what it does when I start it up, and I'll show you my 3-round burst. Alright, first thing you do is plug in the battery. Now vibrate once. Now I'm setting up a 3-round burst. Now it's going to go through a cycling program. Now I'll do 5 beeps. And 6. Now I'll shoot 3 rounds, just in semi, just to get it going. Alright, now 3-round burst. Kind of goofed up, I gotta work on it still. Now hold it down, goes to full. That's it. Plus I put my sexy new scope on here, so I'm ready to roll for this weekend. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.